If you've ever uploaded a game to itch.io and now want to clean up your dashboard, remove an old project, or get rid of something you no longer want public, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to delete games in itch.io step by step, and I'll also point out an important limitation you need to know before you try to remove anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your itch.io account and open your dashboard. This is where all of your uploaded games and projects are listed. Once you're inside, take a look through your projects and select the game you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct one, because deleting a game is a permanent action and you don't want to accidentally remove the wrong project. After you open the game's page, look for the edit button and click it. This will take you into the game's settings and management area, where you can change details, update files, and access the deletion option. Once you're on the edit page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. The delete option is not near the top, so you'll need to go to the lower part of the page to find it. When you reach the bottom, look on the right side of the page for the delete game link. This is the option that will let you remove the game from your itch.io account. Click that link and itch.io will ask you to confirm your choice. At this point, be very careful and double check that this is definitely the game you want to delete. Once you confirm, the game will be deleted from your account. However, there is one important thing to keep in mind. Games that already have buyers cannot be deleted. If your game has existing purchases or buyers attached to it, itch.io will not allow you to remove it completely. In that case, you may need to leave it up, archive it, or adjust your page instead of deleting it. And that's it. That's how to delete games in itch.io. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, but always make sure you're deleting the right project and checking whether the game has any buyers first. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.